And we've all been used to that monotone black and gray multimeter display. You know, sometimes you just want something a little fancier, just a little more. Now, Tesmen brings it to you in color. Easy to see, easy to use multimeter, the TSM 522S by Tesmen. This smart multimeter comes in a nice little carrying pouch. You've got some pretty decent little cables, test leads to go with it. It's got the covers that are removable. And we'll start by taking this off. Got to take the top off. So this thing is simple to use. It's just hitting the power button for momentarily a second. Powers the unit on, and everything you see in green, it is auto sensing. So it's scanning between those to see what you might be doing. Here we do continuity test. Gives you that tone. Went straight to continuity. Here we'll test a 12 volt battery that I found in the floor. Can't believe it still had almost 12.4 volts. Not bad. It's probably been 2 years that thing's been sitting on the floor. Anyway, it goes back to auto when you're done messing with it. And here I switch the leads. Let's see if it'll give us the negative reading. And it shows a negative 12.39 volts. Shows us, hey, you got your lead swapped or the wires are swapped. Here I'm measuring 120 volt wall outlet. Couldn't get a good camera angle at it, but there you go. Push no other buttons throughout any of those little tests, and it went straight to it. You also got this nice little flashlight. It's not something you're going to look for your dog in the dark with, but it'll help you definitely see in a dark room, trying to find a breaker or wherever you're trying to put the test leads. Definitely will help with that. The Tesmen measures DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, continuity, a frequency measurement, capacitance, diode testing, a non-contact AC voltage, and a live wiring detecting. The Tesmen's great to have around. I keep one in the camper, one in the house, one in the shack, one in the car. Why not? You never know when you might need to figure out what's hot, what's not, how many volts it's got in it, or am I getting a connection? So the little Tesmen here is a great little meter. I've got the black monochrome, the black and gray screen that we're all been used to. It's just pretty neat having a color screen, and I'm glad to add this to the shack. So if you'd like to pick you one up, there's a description, there's a link in the description below, and I appreciate you coming by the video. There's another one right over here if you might want to check out another one.